Today I'm going to talk about what are the research challenges in provisioning IoT workflows in IoT, which consist of edge, things, and the cloud data centers. And to solve that problem, along with my collaborators from University of Messina, Italy, Cardiff University, University in Brazil, and University in Australia, we developed an approach called Osmotic computing approach. So what we're saying is, if you use osmotic computing principles to program your IoT application, it can not only simplify the way you compose and orchestrate application, it will also help you understand how do you decompose your IoT application, how to manage its runtime in terms of reconfiguration, monitoring, contention. So all those performance issues that we investigated in grid and cloud computing, we need to take it to the next level in order to able to manage this complex IoT workflow provisioning application. And I will explain in detail how IoT workflow application is fundamentally different from what we investigated in cloud and grid computing, such as web applications or content delivery networks and those other paradigms. To solve this new kind of application provisioning, we need a new approach. That's the reason we invented osmotic computing around 2016. The paper that described this paradigm has been already cited more than 100 times by in IEEE Cloud Computing. Is one of the most top cited paper of that magazine. So let's go in depth of this one. So in today's talk, I'll first give a brief overview of IoT landscape. I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of the general details about IoT. Then I'll give detail on IoT application context. Then we see what's the actual big data problem in IoT, not just from those IDC type of companies, but from our own experience of running UK's largest IoT test bed, which we call as Urban Observatory, and we show you some numbers, how much data we actually collect as part of this IoT application. Then I'll talk about the osmotic computing approach, and then when you apply this approach to provisioning IoT application, then see what are the core research challenges that we can work on as part of that. So as you know, the IoT is now part of every part of the society, and every processes that we used to do manually now could be automated by using sensors and actuator, starting all the way from smart grids, mining, industry 4.0, smart agriculture. So you name a domain and then you can find an IoT application. However, the challenge is based on what application you are working with. You will get different data management issues, different resource management issues, different application choreography and orchestration issues. So there is no general abstraction that you can use to provision application across